What is going on, guys? We have a couple interesting things planned for today. Well, we're about to just go to like the mall real quick, but finally I got a small upgrade to the Ram Rebel. We got the windows tinted. I'm gonna put in some of those clips in here when I got the windows tinted, but it makes the truck feel so much better. It is a small upgrade, but it makes a big difference when it comes down to just the drivability and the usability of the vehicle itself. So this is me looking out from the front window. It still feels like it's kind of bright-ish. I mean, it's dark on the outside, but it's still fairly light-ish. So as you can see, that's me. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love the way this looks. So still the 5%. See, if you get close, you can kind of see inside right up there. But this back, yeah, you can't see anything. It's literally just like a mirror. The other thing we have going on is for the wife's Mustang GT, we did, one of her tires, it's like, I don't even know what happened, like a part of, it's like a chunk of it is like literally out. And like a chunk fell out of the tire. So just ordered another replacement tire just for the one right now. I didn't realize, yeah, she has two 55s in the front with two 75s in the rear. So that is coming up. But what I do want to do is I think I want to go up PCH today. We haven't ever since they opened it up. I think we're going to go later tonight. So we'll see how that goes. I'll bring you guys along with us just to see how it looks. I realized I haven't driven the car in like literally a week. I don't really drive that much when it comes down to daily driving because I don't really have a daily drive. So I'm just trying to drive it some more. I only have, how many miles? Yeah, like 800 miles still, 803 miles. They're really cool. Campers. We're walking back to the truck. These tents look amazing. All right, tents look amazing. I had to go to the mall real quick. We were thinking about going to see Superman, but I want to still go up PCH, I think. Even though, I mean, it will be dark. We got the tents. I want to go for a drive. I haven't like driven in like a minute, so. All right, we're like literally down. I haven't been down here in, I don't, when was the fires?
I think they were in January. Don't quote me, but.
So it was, yeah, it was like it's been a while. Oh, yeah, it's weird. It's like there's some houses and then there's some that are just gone completely. It's interesting. Some structures are still there. Like this is still there. But then when you get further down, like, oh, that's just gone. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can see. Do you see like the little, there's just like the foundations left. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That's so sad.
Dang. Oh, this one's still here.
I mean, it's all fucked up.
Yeah, it's not much.
Just a bin of Christmas ornaments.
Dang.
I know.
All right, so let me first actually, the wife's tire. Look at that, that's pretty bad. There's literally a chunk taken out of it. These are some pretty wide tires though. I don't know what's been going on. These are kind of curved, but that's a huge, huge chunk missing. moral of the story is just going to get a oil change. We are going to, yeah, so I did order the brand new tire for the car. I'm gonna just wait. It's gonna get, the tire's gonna get delivered, and then I think I'm just gonna take it somewhere to just like get it installed. It's like a quick and easy thing. But I'm eventually gonna have to get different tires for like this entire car. Basically, I think the rear is running 275s and they're running 255s in the front, the Continental Extreme Sport summer tires. So yeah, probably shouldn't replace just one. I should probably do the front, both, and then do the rears. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna do the one tire because that's like immediately needs to be fixed. So there's like the downsides of having multiple cars. Like there's always something going on with one of them. But yeah, so let's go Valvoline, get this taken care of. It shouldn't take too long. Hopefully, we'll see. It's a Sunday, so maybe it won't be like that crazy. But who knows? It may be. I have no idea. I barely ever get a chance to like really just drive this car, so I'm gonna put it in track mode because I just want to hear it just a little bit today. On a quick side note, God, I forgot how fun this car is. It is funny because like I don't drive the Mustang so much because it's my wife's car. It's like when she drives to work and everything like that, she drives it, obviously, like this is her car. But I forgot how fun this car is. And like getting in this, I'm not gonna lie, I don't miss the Focus RS. The Focus RS was fun. I mean, it was fun because it was thick and it was like fun in a different way. But like of just like straight line performance, this just beats it. Like, yeah, it's just a quicker car. That's taken care of. Oh my goodness, always gotta look for these cars. So that's taken care of. Big weight, just lift it. Just the next big thing is just get the tires done. Just gotta get this front tire because I don't want it to like explode while my wife's driving. But okay, cool. I know she didn't even have any gas. I just had to get her gas too. I got some gas, got the oil change, got the tire. Honestly, I feel like I should wash her car too, but if I do, I'll probably do that at home because I do want to, like for the other channel, they just announced like another Horror Night maze. So I want to go to Universal. Actually, yeah, we got to go to Universal because we got to renew our passes too. So there's like a lot of stuff that we're just trying to like get done. So we gotta go renew our passes. I think today's our last day of our passes, so we gotta go down there. And I want to film a video talking about the Horror Night stuff. So if I'm gonna wash our car, I might do that later. It's still fairly early, but yeah, it's just a lot of small little things that I'm just trying to get done. It's just nice, you know? Yes, like having cars and stuff like that, that's like the thing people don't like realize, like just the maintenance and the small little things, like paying for the registration, getting the oil change. Yeah, this oil change was like $190, something like that. It was pretty expensive. Do the full synthetic oil change. They're not necessarily cheap, but it's what you just got to do. You know, if it's your vehicle, you got to take care of it and do what you got to do. So doing the full synthetic oil change, getting gas, getting a tire. The tire was expensive as well. So it's like, yeah, don't know how else to say it. Sometimes you got paid to play, but you know, but like getting these type of things done though, it's all part of the car ownership stuff. All right, just got to Universal. If you guys want to see the video, then I'm going to be, oh, it's a TRX. It's all white TRX. That's cool. We always park inside the, oversized lot. If you want to see the video that I'm going to film on that other channel, it will be linked down below. But we're going to go to Universal, upgrade our passes, and check out some Horror Night stuff as I'm rocking all my Horror Nights gear. So go to the other channel if you want to see that. Okay, just to show you guys, this is the tire. It just got delivered from actually Amazon. Like it's literally just a giant tire. I'm gonna go to the place and replace her wheel now. I'm just confirming, making sure it's the right Continental.